Let's draw pretty flowers together, step by step, super easy and lots of fun. Grab your paper and a black marker and let's begin.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a circle with a wavy line. This will be the middle of our flower. Now draw 8 petals around the circle. Slowly, 1 petal, 2 petals. Great job! Awesome! Now draw another 8 petals behind the first petals to make the flower look big and full. Let's draw the second flower. Again, draw the circle with wavy lines. Now draw 6 petals around this circle.
La da 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 dee.
Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our flowers drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Great job, little artists! You did an amazing drawing today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.